Obsidian 330. Here we go. No point randomizing unless we get a Man U card amongst this 8. All right. Oh, that is a huge start. Gavi to 26 for Barcelona. That is a big boy right there. Who's got Barca? Kenneth Wong. Congratulations, KW. That's huge. And then for AC Milan, it is Kaka. Numbered 8 of 8. 7 of 26 on Gavi. 8 of 8 on Kaka. For Inter Milan, it is Felipe Melo. To 44. And Patson Daka for Leicester City, 20 of 26. Huge. Huge so far. Wow. Let's bring that to... whatever I've done. Kai Havertz, red. That is a red flood, number to just 8, 2 of 8, and this is nice as well. Mo Salah, 1 of 10 for Liverpool. Liverpool went very late as well. Clint, congratulations. Because you've also picked up Ibrahim Konate, rookie, numbered 15 of 26 as well. That's both. They're both yours for Liverpool. And then Timothy Weah, 8 of 44 for the United States, and that is Obsidian 10330.